Hello and welcome to the Titus Timeout podcast. I'm Jenny Abney-Civy, and this week I'm going to discuss HVAC filters. Indoor air quality is an important aspect of a building's HVAC system. Filters help improve air quality in buildings, but they can also increase pressure drop and need to be changed regularly. There are several types of filters used in HVAC systems. Specifically, I'm going to discuss the types of filters used in Titus products like fan boxes and critical environment diffusers. The most basic is the fiberglass filter. These are throwaway filters made of layers of fiberglass. We frequently see these fiberglass filters used on the induced air inlet of fan boxes during construction. They're not really designed to be used and changed over the lifetime of a building. Fiberglass filters have the lowest pressure drop, but they really only capture the larger particles in the airstream. Next, you have polyester and pleated filters. These are similar to fiberglass filters, but they'll capture smaller particles and therefore have a higher pressure drop. One benefit to these is that they do not have fiberglass that can get in the airstream. Let me move this up a little bit. Next, you have HEPA filters. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Arrestants, or you'll hear High Efficiency Particulate Air Filter, which I prefer because it's easier to say. They filter at a much finer scale and filter 99.97% of all particles 0.3 microns or larger. They'll have a higher pressure drop of up to 1 inch at 1000 CFM. And we typically see HEPA filters in critical environment diffuser applications. Okay, so now let me make a little bit more room and let's talk about MERV ratings. MERV stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, and it's a measurement scale designed in 1987 by ASHRAE to rate the effectiveness of air filters. MERV ratings go from 1 to 20. MERV 1 through 4 filters particles greater than 10 microns, which is basically pollen, dust mites, paint and sanding dust, stuff like that. This is typical of a residential window air conditioning unit. MERV 5 through 8 filters particles from 10 down to 3 microns. This covers mold, spores, cat and dog dander. This is your general commercial air filter. MERV 9 through 12 filters 3 down to 1 micron particles like Legionella, lead dust, and auto emissions. This is better commercial applications or maybe hospital laboratories. MERV 13 through 16 filters from 1 down to 0.3 microns. This covers bacteria, most smoke, and sneeze particles. So this would be your hospital and general surgery applications. And MERV 17 through 20 filter particles smaller than 0.3 microns. So this would cover viruses, smoke, and carbon dust. You'll see this in clean rooms and maybe pharmaceutical applications. Just need a little bit more room. Tests have shown that MERV 7 through 13 is almost equivalent to HEPA filters but has lower pressure drop. So you should choose your filters to match your application. So there's an overview of filters used in HVAC systems. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for taking a time out with us.